For any financial institution looking to grow, a brand based on sound strategy is essential to success, which is why we presented the Brand Strategy Masterclass at the Financial Brand Forum this year to help people leverage their brand to connect and grow with the right audiences. A powerful way to build a differentiated brand is leaning into brand purpose. The organizations I mentioned grew faster by repositioning their brands by rallying around a powerful brand purpose. 78% of banking customers believe that today banks should have a strong and visible brand purpose. A great example of a bank that leaned into their purpose with their rebrand is Bonvenue. Inspired by their regional Louisiana roots, the name Bonvenue is a modern mashup of bon, which means good, and bienvenue, the French phrase for welcome, which really encapsulates the relationship-driven way they do business. People don't buy what you do or how you do it, they buy your why. To uncover your organization's purpose, you should ask yourself, why do we exist and why does that matter? This practice will unlock the purpose that drives differentiation.